Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Okay, so this week we already enter week 6. Okay, week 6. And this week we are still in chapter 4, which is continuous random variable. Okay, so this is the continuity from the previous week punya content lah. Okay, I left we have another one which is about what we call the standard normal distribution. So basically this video I just show you the example of it, okay, of the standard normal and normal distribution. So class, without further ado, we will start the example. I will show you example 4.8, page 85. Okay, so you may refer to that question. I just write the number of it, the number of example, and also the page number. Okay, so I read it, the question. The question is, given a standard normal distribution, find the area under the curve that lies, okay, A, it must be to the right of Z, okay, to the right of Z. So how we write it? Okay, to the right of Z. So it means, okay, we use Z, we use Z, okay, for the normal distribution, and standard normal distribution, we use Z. So to the right of the Z, so means that to the right of Z equal to 1.84, is it? Okay. So dia kata to the right of Z. So Z and then to the right of it. So which is, it must be, okay, you just imagine macam ni. Okay, you have a bell shape. So this is the standard normal. And then assume that the figure is 1.84 somewhere here. So means that is to the right, so means that this area. Okay, we want to find this area. Okay, so how to find this area? Okay, before I forgot, or before I proceed with the steps, class, so you need to have this table first. Okay, this table, you need to have this table, and I already upload this table in Ulearn. So you may find out this table first, okay, then baru you boleh buat soalan tadi lah. Okay, so I brief you first. Okay, so this is, we call it as a standard normal cumulative probability table. So standard normal cumulative. So cumulative means the figure here is the area. Okay, you can see the shape here. So the area here is must be less than. Maksudnya figure ataupun nombor yang tengok kat semua ni adalah nombor yang menunjukkan area less than. Okay, less than. Kalau you tengok sini pun less than, okay, less than, okay, which is to the left lah, to the left. So you need to have this table. Okay, you can see that they have 1 and 2. So the first one, this side is from 0 until negative 3.4. Okay, and then after this, or what I can say that after, for example, if you get the question that asks you to find the probability that less than 3.5, for example, suppose it's 3.9, table ni macam tak cukup lah. Yeah, suppose 3.9, tak apa, it's okay. Okay, I just give you the idea behind of it. Okay, so let's say if the figure is less than negative 3.9, for example, or 3.5, so they have no figure ataupun the limit is until negative 3.4, is it? So therefore the value will be 0. That's it. Bila tak ada kat sini, maksudnya value dia kosong. Okay, that one is for less than there. Right. For this one is positive. Okay, the value is 1. Okay, different. This one is 0. This one is 1. Okay. Right, that one the first thing. Okay, so then this one, if you get the value of Z, so if your Z is between this range, or maybe for example your Z is negative 2.4, so negative 2.4 is here, so you just focus, or you find out this at this lah, ataupun you focus on this page. If your value is more than which is positive lah, 0 until 3.4, for example, so this area. Okay, alright. So you need to have this table, and I already uploaded. Okay, so now back to our question. So it says that find the probability that to the right of 1.84, which is this one lah, to the right. So as I mentioned just now, our figure ataupun answer that we get here is must be less than, to the left. So our question is to the right. So what we do? we need to find out 1 minus, sebab kita nak dapatkan belah sini. Okay, kita nak dapatkan belah kanan kelas. So what we do is, okay, from the table, kalau you tengok table, we will get this area actually. Okay, we get this area. But we want to get this one. Our question asks you to find this area. So what we do? Okay, we find out the less than, and then we minus 1, ataupun 1 minus this area. So the total area, okay, the total, okay, saya macam ni. Total under this one is 1. So we want to have this area, but this one is greater than, which is to the right. So from the table we cannot get to the right. We just get to the left or less than. So we will find this area, okay, and then 1 minus this area. So then we will get this one. Okay, I hope that you clear on that part. Macam itulah cara saya nak beritahu. Kita nak dapatkan belah kanan, we want to get the right one. Tapi from the table, we just can get the or the value that on the left. So for example, kita nak dapatkan value ni lah. And then dapat after we get this area, what we do next is 1 minus, okay, 1 minus this area. So then we will get this one. Okay, right? Okay, so that's why 1 minus z less than 1.84. Okay, less than, sebab kita nak dapatkan belah sini. So less than. Okay, to the right is greater than, to the left is less than. So this is the equation that you should do. Okay, so now, okay, the critical part or the highlight for this subtopic is how to get this value. Okay, you need to refer to your table, so you can see that this z value is 1.84. 1.84. Okay, this one is negative, is it? This one is this. So we need to focus on this one. 1.84. Where is it? 1.8. So this is 1.8 class. So this is 1.8. So 1.84. So this one. So then this one the value. Okay, 1.84. 1.84. So the value is 0.9671. Okay. This is how we this one is area for this one. Okay, sorry. So 0.9671 is value for probability z less than 1.4. So our equation just now is 1 minus. So you don't forget to do it 1 minus. So 1 minus this one, so you will get 0.0329. Okay. So this is how we use the table to get the answer. Okay. Next, I give you another one. B. So it say that between. Okay, between so therefore there must be have two lah, between negative 1.97 and 0.86. Okay, so how to calculate this one? So okay, this one is greater than, okay, kalau you tak boleh nampak, or imagine you draw this graph, okay, the bell shape now. So somewhere here is negative, 0.84, maybe somewhere here negative. Okay, so between, so must be this area lah, between this. Okay, so how to get this area? So you need to find this one. Okay, so after you get this one, so the area must be all lah, maksudnya daripada 0.86 until towards the end lah kat sini. So kat sini, I mean this area also will be included. Okay, but we don't want this area. What we do next is, okay, after, okay, I just write probability z less than 0.86. Okay, minus, you need to minus this area, because when you calculate this one, you will get this one area, this area included. But we don't want this area, so what we do next is we find this probability that z less than negative 1.97. So after we get this, means that this one, this area, right? So this area tadi, kan, yang ni tadi, and then kita tolak yang ni. So kita dapatlah area yang baki kat sini. Okay, alright. So that's why we need to do it like this. So the probability of 0.86. Okay, after you get this probability, minus with this probability. So that will be your answer lah, the probability between it. Okay, so 0.86. Okay, tengok table balik. 0.8 is somewhere here. Since 6 here, so 0.86. Okay, 0.8051 minus and then minus 1.97. Negative, okay, negative 1.97. So this is negative 1.97 here. So 0.0244, 0.0244. Okay, so that just minus, okay, you just calculate that. So you get 0.7807. Okay, alright. So this is how we calculate the probability of standard normal distribution. Okay, I give you another example. Okay, class. So we do it example 4.9, page 85. Okay. So the question, okay, given a standard normal distribution, find the value of K. Find the value of K such that, so sekarang dia nak cari value K tu. So A, Z is greater than K. And the answer 0.3015. Okay, class. So this example is different compared to the previous example. The previous example kita nak cari yang ni. Okay, for the previous example we want to find the probability. But for this example, it give you the probability. What we do is we need to find the Z value. Maksudnya kalau tadi example tadi kita dah diberi Z, we given Z, then we want to find the probability inside here. But now it give you the probability, so now we want to find Z. So kat sini kita kena tengok yang dalam ni untuk dapatkan jawapan kat tepi ni. Okay, so that one the different lah. Okay, so step dia sama je. Okay, so now, okay, Z is greater than, so sama juga. What we do is P minus, 1 minus probability of this one. Okay, 1 minus, but this one is greater than. So once you get the greater than, must be bear in your mind that you need to 1 minus it. Okay, and then the answer is this one. Dia dah bagi jawapan. So now we want to find the value of K here, which is Z value lah. Okay, so then this one you move it around here, and then this one you bring to this side. So 1 minus 0.305, and then this one will be positive, Z less than K. Okay, saya susun balik. Saya nak jadikan dia ni as a subject. So 1 minus 0. This one will be 0.6985. So class, now we want to find this, or we want to look at, or we want to find this figure 0.6985. So you can see that 0.6985 means that it's greater than 0.5, is it? So when it's come to 0.5, is somewhere here. It must be the positive side. Okay, maksudnya tengok sini dia startkan 0.5. So maksudnya 0.5 until or towards 1 lah. Okay, until 1 for example, it will lies here. For this table yang saya belah kiri ni, it is from 0 until 0.5 the maximum. So this one is 0.5 until 1. Okay, so you need to find the 0.6985 here. Okay, 0.69. Okay, where is 0.69? 0.6985. Okay, I find out this one. 0.6985. Okay, so what's the answer of Z here? 0.5. Okay, K lah, K, which is 0.52. Okay, so this is how we find out the value. Okay, alright, so I give you another one. B, find out the probability that K is between Z and negative 0.18, and the probability is 0.4197. So you need to do it the same thing like the previous example, which is you need to Z less than negative 0.8 minus Z less than K. Okay, and then the probability is this one. So, okay, this one you cari dulu ni by using table. Okay, negative 0.1, negative 0.1, negative 0.1, okay, here. Negative 0.18, okay, negative 0.18. So it's here. So 0.4286. Okay, and then minus. Okay, we still don't know. There's not yet. So now what we do is, okay, you just bring lah, okay, move around, rearrange back the equation, so then you will get this one. Okay, and then 0.4286 minus 0.4155. So minus this figure, you will get 0.089. 0.0089. So 0.0089. So it's belong or it lies in this area. So 0.00, 0.0089, 0.0089, 82, 89. Okay, here. So 0.0089 here, so means that it's negative 2.37. So your K is negative 2.37. Okay, class? Alright? Okay, so this is how the process, or how we use the table of standard normal. Okay? So example 4.8 tadi, we find the probability. For example 4.9, we find the value of Z. Kat sini, kita nak cari value ni. Okay, beza lah soalan example 4.8 and 4.9 tadi berbeza sikit. So it is a example of the question that we ask in test or in final. Okay, alright. Okay, so I will stop now this video because I think it's already 16 minutes. So I will continue another example. Okay, this example is about standard normal. Okay, class, standard normal. So for the next example, I will give you on the example of how to standardize. Okay, how to standardize a standard normal. Means that the idea is how to change from normal to standard normal. Okay, we are still use the same table, cuma dia ada extra steps. Okay, alright class. So I will see you in the next video.